Now we're going to clean the brush and wet the area on the side of the ramp and put sort of bluish-gray tones in there. There's a little bit of brown on this brush, and that's perfectly all right. And we're going to come back with some more blue tones, bluish-gray, and just sort of dab it into that light-colored area. So this will form the side of the ramp, maybe a tiny bit of burnt sienna in certain places. So this is going to be a multi-tone shape that we create. Now we're going to create a fence. We don't want to work on the building too much because all this is really too wet and it'll run into the areas that we touch to it. So we're going to create with like burnt umber. With the detail brush, we're going to create a fence. And every fence post and timber is going to be an individual. We don't really want straight lines because straight lines of no interest. And we're trying to create interest here. You know, a broken fence is even more interesting than a fence in good condition. So we'll do that. And the fence post may be bent. That's perfectly fine.